Reading aloud, the secret tool in proofreading. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into one of the most underrated yet incredibly effective proofreading strategies: reading aloud. This method can transform the way you revise and perfect your written work. So let's explore why this technique is such a game changer. When we write, we often know what we want to convey, which makes us somewhat blind to the errors or awkward phrasing present in our writing. Reading aloud forces us to slow down and process each word, making it easier to catch those sneaky mistakes. 1. Improves fluency. Reading your content aloud can help you understand the flow and rhythm of your writing. 2. Catches grammatical errors. Some errors, especially missing words or repeated words, become more obvious when spoken. 3. Enhances clarity. If something sounds off or confusing when read aloud, chances are it might need a bit of tweaking. It's not just about reading the words out. It's about being attentive and strategic. 1. Choose a quiet space. Minimize distractions. It's essential to hear every word. 2. Read slowly and deliberately. This isn't a race. Taking your time ensures you pick up on nuances and errors. 3. Use a pointer or finger. As you read, follow along with your finger. This helps in ensuring you don't skip any lines or words. 4. Pause at punctuation. Feel the punctuation. It'll help you identify if any commas, periods, or other punctuation marks are misplaced. 5. Listen to the tone. Your voice can indicate whether the tone of the content aligns with the intended message. Reading aloud isn't just great for proofreading. It has other perks too. 1. Improves pronunciation, especially useful for non-native speakers. You get to practice how words sound. 2. Boosts confidence. Familiarizing yourself with the content makes you more confident if you have to discuss or present it later. 3. Enhances retention. Hearing and speaking the content can help in better retention of information. And that wraps up our exploration of the reading aloud technique in proofreading. Remember, every writer, no matter how experienced, can benefit from reading their work aloud. It's like having a secret weapon in your proofreading arsenal. We hope this strategy serves you well in all your future writing endeavors. Until next time, keep writing and keep improving.